just ain't fair to all the other girls hanging out here. Ray-Bans, short shorts, sunburned skin, making me hurt. There's something about you, girl, I need to know a little more about. Just buzzed enough to walk up to you and say what's up. How'd you like to go take a ride in my truck? Look at the stars, made me fall in love. Right then I knew you were someone I couldn't live without. I don't wanna live without your sweet kiss. You reaching for my hand, singing and flipping your ponytail to your all-time favorite band, My Chemical Romance. I still don't have a clue what songs they sing, but I loved it just the same. Hot August nights, warm wind blowing in, steam on the windows, sweat dripping off our skin. I saw everything I needed to see, and I knew right then I'd never look at another girl again. I don't know what came over me, but I knew that night I didn't want to be just another guy. I want to be someone you just met, a memory. So I